Standard 3, Subject EVS, Chapter 20, Our Community Life. Do you like to live alone or in the community of others? We like the company of other people. At home, we live with our parents. We also have neighbors. We miss our friends if we can't meet them. We miss even our pets when they are not around. People like to live in groups. Living in the company of our family, neighbors, and other people means living in a community. Community life is interdependent. We all need community life. If we don't have friends and other people around us, who will we speak to? Who will we share our joys and sorrows with? In a company, we get companions. We feel secure in their company. We help them, they too help us. This is known as cooperation. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of the community life. Rules are needed to build this cooperation. Use your brain power. What if there were no farmers? If there were no farmers, cultivation of land will not take place. There will be no production of food grains and we will starve. Therefore, the farmer is called the Annadatta, that is, one who feeds us. What will happen if there were no schools? Schools are institutions that provide us education. We will remain illiterate and ignorant if there were no schools. What will happen if there were no hospitals? Hospitals are institutions that take care of our health when we fall ill. We will suffer and in extreme cases die if there were no hospitals. What will happen if garbage were to pile up? If garbage were to pile up, there will be foul stench to start with. Therefore, the whole locality will suffer due to air pollution and epidemics. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Goods have to be produced to satisfy needs. This is called the production of goods. The process of reaching those goods to the people is called service. Production and service are both necessary to satisfy needs. Many people contribute to this. One person cannot produce everything. Neither can he give all services by himself. Community life is interdependent. Rules for living in a community. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. We have to deal with other people in our community all the time. For smooth running of our day-to-day affairs, everybody has to follow certain restrictions. These are known as rules. Rules bring discipline to community life. What are the rules necessary in games? What are the advantages of playing according to the rules? Before playing any game, we must first understand its rules. The rules of the game are the same for everybody. Every player has to follow the rules. Only then does the game go on smoothly. Similarly, in order to make sure that the community life also goes on smoothly, we must follow the rules. Games have an important place in our lives. We imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity through games. Participation, determination, and passion are more important in games than winning or losing. Sports help us to stay healthy. Find the rules necessary for community life from those given below. Put a tick against the correct rules and a cross against the wrong ones. Jump the queue and climb the bus. Wrong. Cross the road on the zebra crossing. Correct. If injured, go to a doctor or primary health center at once. Correct. Report a leaking tap in a public place to the Gram Panchayat or the local government body. Correct. Do not travel without a ticket. Correct. Rules help to prevent quarrels, fights, and partially. What do you think? The courts settle quarrels as per rules. The people intervene and stop fights as per rules. So, rules are very, very important. A famous quote said by Sant Tukaram, "Let us all help each other. Let us all follow the right path." What we have learnt in this lesson? People like to live in a community. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community life. Rules are needed for smooth running of community life. Games teach us cooperation and unity. Sports keeps us healthy. Answer the following. Why should we follow rules? We must follow rules for the smooth running and discipline in the community life. What is the meaning of life in a community? Living in the company of our family, neighbors, and other people means living in a community. Why do games have an important place in our lives? Games have an important place in our lives because we imbibe the qualities of cooperation, unity, participation, determination, and passion. We also stay healthy and active while playing games. People like to live in a community. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Rules are needed for smooth running of community life. Sports keeps us healthy.